December 19th, which was 2 days ago, when we had over 12 inches of snow in that 8-inch time period. And we had a quiet day on Saturday. Today's Sunday morning. Last night we received about 4.5 inches of new snow, and today this is all pure lake effect. We've got probably another 2 or 3 inches of snow in the last couple hours, and we've got very intense lake effect snow bands moving through right now, with wind gusts approaching 40, sometimes 50 miles an hour, and definitely creating near blizzard conditions and whiteout conditions. The temperature across the lake right now in Wisconsin is 8 degrees below zero, and here in Muskegon, Michigan, it is 18 degrees above zero. So that cold air coming across the lake and the temperature difference between the air and the water is creating very, very intense snow, along with extremely gusty winds. So try to take a little bit of a drive here in a little while before the roads get too bad. They're contemplating right now upgrading us to a blizzard warning, and after taking a look at the last couple of radar images, the lake effect really seems to be intensifying. So literally cannot see where you're going. One o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, December 21st, and still am very surprised they have not upgraded us to a blizzard warning yet, because there is definitely what I feel meets the snowfall criteria and wind. So well, here we are. Again, it's just after 4 o'clock on Sunday, December 21st. You can see a drift that I'm standing in. they've just finally at 4 p.m. upgraded us to a blizzard warning now until 10 o'clock tomorrow, and they are just telling us now that they're pulling all the plows off Muskegon County roads, and this intense lake effect snow is supposed to last for quite a while longer. We're looking at some of the drifts. You can see part way up that tree there on the side of my truck, around across the snow piles that were plowed up 2 days ago on Friday with the 12 plus inches of snow we had then. As you can see looking down the road. So definitely one of the craziest couple of days I've seen weather-wise here. And I'm gonna pause real quick while I run in the house. I'm gonna tape a little bit out back too, because it's has some pretty impressive drifts out there. I'm just gonna do a quick update. It's 8 o'clock Sunday evening, 21st of December. We're under blizzard warning. We have been for about 4 hours when they upgraded it about 4. And as you can see out my back door, the drift, that's all the way up to the door. And as we walk out, we can see that everything is pretty well drifted up and shot. The overhang on the roof. I'm gonna real quick go out front and check that out. Alright, we're now out front, and as you can see where my footprint is, it's about 3 inches, 2.5 maybe inches of snow, and I just plowed the driveway, snowblowed the driveway at 6 p.m. 6:30 when I got in. So as you can see, the drifts are already building back up, and we still have moderate snowfall coming down here right now, and still winds, I would say 20-25 miles an hour, maybe gusts a little bit higher. And they just said that we got the blizzard warning until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, Monday the 22nd. And they said Monday afternoon it'll calm down a little bit, but then Tuesday morning we've got some warm advection snow moving in, and if we have a southerly wind being in Muskegon, that's going to produce quite a bit, I believe, lake effect snow. And they're saying possibly another 6 to 10 inches on Tuesday and Wednesday. Some of the buff kit models I saw, though, actually showed about 14 to 15 inches on those 2 days. So crazy, crazy weather. So again, about 8:30 on Sunday night, and between Friday and today, it's definitely been a wild couple of days, as you can see. Still, again, I said, here's where I just walked, and like I said, I plowed the driveway about 2 hours ago. So snowfall definitely close to 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches an hour.